Oh, poor baby. You okay? You okay? Do you want to try and go outside? You okay? Poor baby. Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good... Oh. I think that's probably enough for the vet. Poor baby.